Hey business owners, I just literally built state-of-the-art AI smart website design for you guys. It will have an AI agent that will literally gonna print money for you. It's gonna negotiate deals, book appointments, follow up with appointments so you never have to lose another deal or lead that lands on your website. So let's get into it. So there's two sections of this site. So one is OpenBot Assistant, which is going to be the business owner's brain, literally brain. It will remember everything. It's going to talk to you. You'll be able to chat through it through Telegram. You will be able to change and control your website, which I'm going to show you later in this video. It's going to be mind-blowing. Just stay till the end of this video. I'm going to show you exactly how you'll be able to literally update your website, send specials, send menu, whatever it is that you want to change in your site. Literally, you're going to be able to speak to your phone and it's going to make updates in real time. So that's one, right? It's going to be OpenBot Assistant. That's going to be literally your command center. I'm going to show you the dashboard in a second because I don't even have the login yet. We're going to create a login because we're going to create a website first. So let's go to the other website, which is kind of an extension, basically just to build a website. And the thinking behind it, wait till you're going to hear this name. So the website design for businesses that I put, and you'll be able to do website design through OpenBot My Assistant, which is openclawmybusiness.com. And the reason I build it, because I do believe in very near future that business assistant and user assistant will eventually going to be talking on each behalf. I do believe that these devices, these phones, these apps, okay, I don't think they're going to be long, that it's going to be all in one app. It's going to be used literally just to speak to it. I think it's going to, within a few years, it's going to condense, because we had the phone system with every single different app for the past 20 years. I think everything's moving agent to agent. So if you don't know what basically what OpenClaw is, and it used to be obviously different names, but it finally is becoming OpenClaw, and this is people's personal assistant. It's become very popular, viral. You could look it up right after this video, but there's many claws, OpenClaw assistant coming online each and every day, and they're looking for whatever a system requires them, wants them to do. For example, if they want to book a flight, they'll be able to book a flight. To turn off the lights, you'll be able to turn off the lights. This system is actually incredible. So my thinking is to build on top of the system for business owners that's not very techy. So that's why I called it, instead of like Google My Business, I used it OpenClaw My Business. Same concept, but I think in the near future, I'm predicting that's what I'm setting it up for, is where this agent that we're going to build right now is eventually, if somebody's looking for your service that you're going to be providing, your agent will talk to another agent and be able to negotiate deals, book appointments, like I said earlier, and without you even doing anything, you'll be able to have an appointment, whether you're a plumber, electrician, or anything else, you're gonna have that scheduled for you. All right, enough of talking. Let me show you what I built so you could start. I'm gonna put the links, by the way, in the description. You could start from here. It will take you to the same thing. And what I had before, this is actually an extra build. So let's click on this, or you could pick whatever industry that you're in. Either way will work, but we're going to start by clicking with chat with AI. All right, so let's click again and let's go through, answer a few questions, and let's get our website built. So we're going to use two models. Okay, so this is the latest model. I won't tell you what it is until the end because we're going to test out both. and I'll show you very quickly. So basically, you got to answer a few questions. That's what I ask you. I'm here to help you to build a professional website. It will only take a few minutes. So let's get the handle. I'll handle the rest basically. So what's the name of your business and what you do? So I used to be a massage therapist. So let's go roll with that. Dave, the massage therapist. Let's do that. Nice to meet you, Dave, massage therapist. So great. Do you have a tagline or you would like to suggest an option for you? Please suggest an option for me. All right. So let's continue. Look how cool it came up with three headlines for me to choose from. Which one? Healing hands, peaceful mind. I like to do deep tissue massages. Let's do expert wellness. Let's copy this. Let's enter. Great choice. Expert massage therapy, mind and body wellness. Really professional, trustworthy. Specific types, massage, Swedish. I like to do deep tissue massage. That's my specialty. Or sports massage. Continue. By the way, I'm using Whisperflow right in here. That's the voice transcriber. So I just hit the two hot buttons and let's see. Both really valuable. Do you offer any type of massage beyond injury recovery? No consultation. Injury recovery, and I like to do 80 minutes massages. Sorry, make it 90 minutes, hour and a half massages only for $180. But by the way, that's not the question, but I just threw it anyway. Let's see what happens. Got it. Specialize in deep tissue sports massages, 90 minutes, $180. That's a nice focus approach. Now where you're located. I'm located in East Meadow, New York. It's on Long Island. I'm willing to travel no more than 10 miles out of my way. No. I live in East Meadow, Long Island. I will travel no more than 15 miles out of my way. Let's see what it does then. We almost halfway there. We have a few more questions. That's a great question. Uh, when it comes to your personality, now wants to know my personality. That's fantastic. To potential client, professional, clinical, friendly, and professional. All right. Definitely want to be friendly. Friendly always helps. Perfect. Friendly, great. Great. So you could use my phone number, 516-322-9380. And the email is dave@ilift.com. Gotta use voice transcriber. It's the best thing ever. I don't have to type anything. And it's super quick. All right, let's see what it comes up with. Just hang in there. Just a few more questions. I think 2 more questions. We're almost done. So not asking for the hours. I work 7 days a week, anywhere from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. Pretty flexible, but obviously they have to schedule a few hours in advance, see if I'm available and if it works for both of us, for me and the client. You got to give AI as much information as possible. The more you speak, the more it learns, the better it gets. That's how the system is actually going to be working for you. Okay? I just want to know what sets me apart. I'm a licensed massage therapist in New York City. I specialize again in deep tissue massages and anything to do with injuries, sports related injuries. Again, I'm the licensed massage therapist to go to. Not too many people actually do massages in their license. I happen to still have my active license massage therapy besides doing AI now, but I am a fully licensed massage therapist. So again, it's not that easy to get massages in New York City. I'm talking about license. It's a 2-year program. All right. I just quickly wants to know my preferences in the style of the website. You could choose. I like modern, warm colors. Maybe some massage therapy animations, if you could do that. But make sure the call to actions are pretty easy to very clear. Make sure the text and the bot has good contracts between the colors. So looking forward. Do you think designing a beautiful massage therapy practice license uh, website for me? No, it didn't record. Let's do it again. Just design a Martin with the website. If you could make animations, uh, definitely easy call to action button so people could book appointments, contact me, make sure the contracts colors between the forms and the any kind of the assistant agent that's going to be at the bottom. Make sure everything's nice and clean. Looking forward. Use your design skills to build me the best massage therapy practice website in East Meadow, Long Island. I don't know. Let's see what it comes up with. Oh, I think one more question. All right, here we go. It looks good. Looking forward for my new website. Go. All right, here we go. Let's build this website. Yeah, let's build it. Let's go. Let's see it. Go for it. Let's build that beautiful website. Let's have a sip of coffee right in here. While it builds this beautiful website with SEO, with EIO, everything. Everything with the AI agent. They'll be able to book appointments, answer any questions about your business. It will know everything about your business. Then it will go into the brain section, which is going to be your like headquarters, command center, whatever you want to call it. I'll show you in this video, which is incredible what I built. So let's see it. Let's see. I want to see confetti. I want to see a lot of confetti flying. Wow, it's really cooking. It is really cooking. Should I hit the pause button? Boom, we got the website. All right. It did take a few minutes, so let's take a look at it. Here we go. Ready? Drum roll, please. Bam! Wow. That is incredible. Look at this beautiful website. FAQs. Wow. Holy cow. Wait, let's section by section. First of all, this is incredible. The background image. Book appointments. You got call to action. Let's explore this. Wow, look at this. This is exactly how I described it. Look at this beautiful cards. This beautiful colors. More images. Guys, this has gotta be how much would literally you would pay a designer to have this beautiful website. Look at that. You could even change colors. Look at this. Oh my god. Oh my god. This has the light colors. Look at all these sections and they all could be edited. I'll show you and look at these animations. Holy cow. Wow. Let's chat with us. Look at this beautiful. Hey, can I book an appointment for Friday? Let's see what it says. Look at these beautiful colors, just incredible. Literally, how much this website would cost to have built? Ah, look, it's trying to get my first name so it could capture the lead or leave a message. Let's click on leave a message. Nothing, we gotta fix. It does work. It leaves a message right in here. Boom, send a message. Okay, we should get an email. Let me just show you. Now let's keep going. Let's see what it answers. Okay, it wants. We're not gonna do it now, but I'll show you that it works in 1 second. It wants me. It's smart. It asks me for the name, the email, where to send the details to, of course. Okay, we're not gonna do it now. Sorry. Let's quickly show you that it works. Dave. Let's go. I would like to book a 60-minute massage. All right, let's send a message. Send a message. Let's go to my email. Again, just to show you that everything works. All right, so we got the email right in here. Look at this beautiful email telling you exactly what it is right here. Obviously, you could reply, you could do whatever you need. So that works. Again, I can't get over how cool this website really looks, and you could obviously edit it with all these call to action buttons, which I'm going to show you in a second. So let's go head over to the brain. Let's connect it to one of the accounts, to the Telegram account. All right, let's connect it to the brain. David, let's continue. No, we don't want that. All right, let me pause this while I answer all these questions. I got to think about it. What makes your business special? I don't know. I'll run this through ChatGPT. Let me answer all these questions and I'll be back in a second. And by the way, you want to feed this second brain of yours with as much information as possible. Just to give you a heads up, the more information you're going to give it, the more it knows about you and the better it gets with every single detail that you're going to feed. Again, just feed it as much as possible. Whatever you're into, marketing, obviously, real estate, whatever you're into, sales, design. Yeah, let's do sales too. Click next. And now this is the best part. We're going to connect it to the Telegram. Okay, so connect it and you'll be able to control your whole website, your second brain, everything with the Telegram. So let's connect it. AI. That's so professional. I don't want it to be friendly. I have plenty of friends. I want it to be professional. I want to tell me how to run my business. Let's connect to the Telegram. Show you how cool that is. So let's open with the QR code. So download the Telegram. Okay. I already have it downloaded on my phone. So I'm going to open it. And I'm going to, no, actually, just open up your camera right in here. And it's going to open up the Telegram. And it's going to connect it. There it is. It's connected. How cool is that? I'll show you. Hold on. Let me open up my Telegram. Continue. Setting up. Where's my Telegram? Right in there. And I'll show you how incredible this system is. Let's just say hello, make sure that it's connected. Let me take a look. Go to the dashboard. Now you're inside your brain dashboard, your headquarters. How cool is that? Let's connect. Let's say hello for the first time. Make sure that it responds. Right there, it's typing. You could see that it's responding. Boom. See, it knows your name and everything. How can I help you this evening? You got the time wrong. Anyway, let's take a look if we could edit the website. So quickly, let's head over to the dashboard of the brain. And you can see there's a lot going on, but we're not going to do it all in this video. We're just going to go to settings, and we're going to go to my business right in here. And you could see how cool you could connect it to your Google My Business. Okay, right in here. And you could see right in here the website. Let's open it. We don't want to open up in the builder. Let's open up, and you could see right in here that's the website that was built. Let's change something in this website so you could see that it works. So let's change from Dave's Massage Therapy Studio. Let's tell it, let's change the studio to center. Let's see if it works. Hey, in my sub headline of my website, can you please update the sub headline from the studio to the center? In the sub headline, just change the name. Just replace studio with the center. Let's see if it does that. Let's go. Let's refresh. Actually, let's see if it responded. Oh. I ran into a quick little issue. It was updating because I've been building so many sites, just testing. It wasn't updating the primary website. So let me show you it does work now. Let's go to let's update the headline to Dave's Massage NV Studio in East Meadow. Let's do that. Let's trigger the bot. It's typing. You could see right in here. Okay. So let's take a look from Massage Studio. Let's see if it's done. So let's take a look at the headline. Boom, right in the, how cool is that? How cool is that? Let's update the subheadline. Watch this. Hey, let's change the subheadline to 20% off on today's deep tissue massage. It's from $180. It'll be just $99 today. So just say today's 90-minute massage, only $99 for the next 24 hours. It should understand me. That's how great is that. Watch this. Okay, let's take a look. Done. Let's see. So it should update right in here. Restore, rejuvenate. How cool is that? How incredible is that? Tell me. All right, one last time. Let's change the button. Explore the services. Book now. What should we say? Check out my services. Let's do. Hey, can you update the button that says explore my services, and instead of explore, let's say check out my services. All right. Wasn't able to do that. It's kind of saying the same. Let's see. Latest update. Change the button from explored services to latest update. Let's see if it could do that. Sorry, taking that long, but it should be able to do that. Sometimes, let me try again. Just if you could update, I don't like explore the services. Can you just change the wording of that button? Let's see if it understands. Typing, thinking. Got it. Let's see. So from explore services, let's see what it changed to. Didn't change anything. Did it change? What did it say? Oh. Yes, let's make it live. View my services. Okay. How cool is that? It's double checking to see if that's exactly what I wanted to do. Let's see. Explore services. Refresh. Say view my services. Oh, it changed right in here. Oh no. Okay. But you could see how incredible this system is. I don't want to make this video too long. The next video we're going to go into is exploring the brain itself. But you could literally add any aspect of this website, and I'm going to show you in the editor part. Again, I've been building this application for the past since Clawbot came out. I knew that there was a lot more potential building with Cloud Code than just the Clawbot doing its own thing, where I'm like the captain of the ship and building, I think, what's valuable, at least for me. Even if you guys don't like it, or never going to use it, I will use it for my clients, and you guys are more than welcome. I'm going to put the links right below. Okay, you could test it out. It's 14-day free trial, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.